they tried to brush the subject under the carpet. So that's why we have not been told, or the few books that have been written have been banned, and other things, have just been thrown away. So we thought that this is going to be a very, very compelling subject to bring to light, especially because it has a social relevance in today's time also. अगर मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं कि if an alien was to land today in front of you and stand in front of you, what would you do first? Would you point a gun at the alien, or would you extend your hand? So, we've all become like that as human beings. We've started fearing the other human being. For whatever reasons, which we need to change. We need to start accepting other people more, and therefore the movie's primary and main message is about acceptance, about that is the social cause that our movie talks about. That's why we picked the subject, because it appealed to us and we thought it appealed to a large segment of the audience.
What happened in 1971?
रखी गई थी, लेकिन जब 1971 में वो अलग ही हो गया तो पाकिस्तान no longer exists for a lot of people. What happened in 1971 is a result of what had happened prior to that. For about 6-10 years before that, the Bengalis were being crushed. Now see, if you see the Pakistani concept, they have tried to enforce. जो पाकिस्तान का पंजाब है उधर भी कोई पंजाबी नहीं बोलता है, उधर भी उर्दू बोलते हैं लोग. What they have tried to enforce is कि in our country, no matter who you are, you have to follow Islam and you have to speak Urdu. वही उन्होंने बंगालियों पे impose करने की कोशिश करी. Bengalis are a culturally rich, lot of people. कि भाई they write poetry, they do theatre, they do drama, all of that. But Yahya Khan and earlier before that Jinnah, they tried to thrust their ideologies upon those people. That is why they rose in revolt, and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was their chief leader and commander. And 1971 में जो पहला democratic election हुआ पाकिस्तान में, 70 में sorry, towards the end of the year, जो पहला democratic election हुआ, उसमें मुजीब actually won the election. तो उस टाइम पे भुट्टो साहब was standing against him in the election, but he lost the election and he went crying to Yahya Khan कि भाई this Bengali has won the election, ये तो हमारा देश को खराब कर देगा, everybody will be free to do whatever they want to do. So after years of economic, social suppression, these people then rose up in revolt, because at that time when they won the election, Yahya Khan took the entire military and went into Bangladesh with the ideology कि जितने वहाँ पे लोग होंगे जो पाकिस्तान को सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे वो उनको हम मार देंगे. So that genocide happened, and in a period of 9 months जिसके लिए ये पूरा चला, उसमें लगभग 600,000 women